four things holding your 2-ton car to the road are each about the size of your hand. And one bad choice at the tire shop could be adding 3 full car lengths to your stopping distance in the rain at the exact moment you need to stop. Independent testing has measured almost 50 feet of difference in wet braking between the best and the worst tires in the same size. 50 feet is the difference between stopping before the crosswalk and stopping in the middle of it. So never put these 9 tires on your car, and stick around, because at the very end, I am going to show you 5 cheap brands that are actually worth every penny. The ones that stop shorter and last longer than tires costing twice as much. Some of these 9 are just a waste of money. Some of them could genuinely get someone killed. And number 1, people buy it brand new, never knowing it is already years too old. Let us count them down. Number 9, the wrong air pressure, the single fastest way to ruin a perfectly good tire. You would think topping them up to the big number printed on the tire is the safe move. It is not. That number stamped on the sidewall is the maximum pressure the tire can hold the ceiling, not your target. Run your tires low and the sidewalls flex and build heat mile after mile until the rubber can literally delaminate and come apart on the highway, and you burn extra fuel and chew up the edges of the tread the whole time. Run them too high, and you are riding on the narrow center of the tread with less grip, a harsher ride, and uneven wear right down the middle. The correct number lives on a sticker inside your driver door jamb, put there by the people who engineered your car. Set it there, check it cold before you drive once a month. It is completely free safety, and almost nobody actually does it, but bad air is an easy fix. The next one, people bolt on and never think about again. Number 8, mismatched tires. It feels completely harmless. One tire goes bad, so you replace just that single one with whatever is cheapest on the rack that day. But now you have different tires with different tread patterns and different grip levels, all working on the same car, and your stability control and traction control were calibrated at the factory for 4 matching tires. In a hard corner or a genuine panic stop, mismatched tires grip unevenly, and that mismatch can snap the car sideways and spin you right around. At the absolute minimum, replace them in pairs, both fronts or both rears together, same brand, same model. And on an all-wheel drive car, it gets even more expensive. Mismatched tire sizes force the drivetrain to fight itself, and that can chew up your differential and hand you a repair bill in the thousands. But a mismatched set is still safer than the next one, because the next one can fail with no warning at all. Number 7, the badly repaired tire. A nail straight through the middle of the tread can absolutely be fixed, and fixed safely, but only from the inside, with a proper patch and plug combination installed by someone who dismounts the tire and inspects it. What you can never trust is a plug jammed into the sidewall, or a sticky string plug rammed in from the outside at the counter and called a permanent repair. The sidewall flexes thousands of times every single mile, and it simply cannot be safely repaired. A plug there is a blowout patiently waiting for a highway on-ramp. I have seen tires with 3 and 4 string plugs crammed into them, the owner thinking they were saving money, riding on a bomb. If a shop repaired your sidewall, or you find a mystery gooey plug you did not put in, do not gamble on it. That one tire can let go instantly at full speed. And speaking of tires with a hidden past, the next one is a complete unknown. Number 6, used and retread tires on a passenger car. That amazing deal on a set of used tires is a coin flip with your life. You have no idea how they were driven, whether they were run flat even once, slammed into curbs, or how old the rubber really is underneath that shine. And retreads, where a worn-out casing gets a fresh strip of tread glued right on top of the old body, belong on commercial trucks that run strict documented inspection programs, not on your family car in the school pickup line. You know those long ropes of shredded black rubber lying in the highway lanes? A lot of those are retreads that came apart at speed. The savings are not worth what is on the line. Buy new or do not buy at all. But at least a used tire might have the right ratings on it. The next 2 people install without ever once checking. Number 5, the wrong load rating. Every tire has a load index. a number that tells you the maximum weight that tire can safely carry when it is properly inflated. Your car was engineered around a specific one, but budget tires sometimes come in a lower load index to shave a few dollars off the price, and a busy shop may never once flag it to you. Put an underrated tire on a heavy SUV or a loaded work truck, and it runs hotter than it was ever built to handle, especially on a long trip with the family and the luggage aboard. Heat is what kills tires, and this leads straight to sidewall failure and blowouts, usually at highway speed when you are fully loaded and least able to handle it. The rule could not be simpler. Never go below the load index on your door sticker. A higher number is fine, a lower number is dangerous, and its twin is even easier to get wrong. Number 4, the wrong speed rating, and this one is genuinely sneaky, because a lower rated tire feels completely fine right up until the instant it does not. That speed rating letter on the sidewall is not just about how fast you can legally drive. It reflects the entire internal structure of the tire and how well it sheds heat during sustained high-speed running. Drop from the rating your car was engineered for down to a cheaper, lower one to save money, and on a long highway run that tire quietly builds up heat, it was never designed to survive. And heat is exactly what makes a tire suddenly come apart at 70 miles an hour with your family inside. It can also quietly affect your insurance coverage and your warranty if the worst happens. Match the rating stamped on your door jamb or go higher every single time you buy. Now we get to the tires that are dangerous just sitting still in the driveway. Number 3, dry, rotted tires, even with plenty of tread left. Here is exactly what most people miss. They check the tread depth, see lots of rubber, and call it good. But rubber does not last forever. Sunlight, heat, and ozone in the air slowly dry a tire out from the inside, and it begins to crack. Little spider webs of cracking creeping through the tread grooves and along the sidewall. Those cracks mean the rubber has gone hard and brittle. That translates to less grip, longer stopping distances, and a very real chance the tread separates from the body of the tire. A tire can have deep, healthy-looking tread and still be completely unsafe if it is cracking like that. Run your thumb along the sidewall, and if you feel or see that webbing starting, the clock has already run out on that tire, no matter how good it looks. But a cracked tire at least gives you a visible warning. The next one hides its true age completely. Number 2, old tires. And here is the part that genuinely shocks people. A tire can be brand new, never once touched the road, still have those little rubber hairs on it, and already be too old to trust. Rubber ages on a warehouse shelf. Not just on the car. Every tire has a DOT code stamped into the sidewall, and the last 4 digits are the week and the year it was actually built. Read it before you buy. Tire manufacturers say to inspect closely after 6 years and replace by about 10, no matter how deep the tread still looks. And this is not some theory. One safety analysis tied around 250 loss of control and rollover crashes directly to tires more than 6 years old. So before you pay good money for a set of new tires, check that date code with your own eyes, because shops absolutely do sell tires that have been sitting in a back room for 4, 5, even 6 years. And that finally brings us to the single most dangerous tire you can buy. Number 1. The dirt cheap, no-name tire with zero real testing behind it. Now, not every budget tire is bad, and I am about to prove that to you with the next 5 brands. But the true bottom of the barrel is genuinely, measurably dangerous. To hit those rock-bottom prices, the worst makers use hard, cheap rubber compounds with almost none of the silica that gives a tire its grip in the wet. And the result shows up the exact instant you need to stop the most. In independent braking tests, the worst performing budget tires needed about 30 extra feet to stop on dry pavement, and a genuinely terrifying 47 extra feet in the rain, compared to a good tire at the same speed. 47 feet is 3 full car lengths. That is the difference between stopping safely and stopping right in the middle of the crosswalk on top of whatever is in it. An unknown brand with no published test data and a price that is too good to be true is not a bargain. It is the cheapest thing in your entire life that is actively trying to kill you. But here is the good news. You do not have to spend a fortune to be safe on the road. Some of the smartest value tires out there wear budget names and they will outbreak and outlast tires costing twice as much. Here are the 5 cheap brands genuinely worth every penny. Number 5. Cooper. Over 100 years of American tire engineering stand behind this name, with a reputation built on tough, dependable rubber, especially for trucks and SUVs that actually work for a living. It will not cost you premium money, but you get real all-around performance and genuinely long tread life. It is a safe, no drama, no regrets value pick for the everyday driver. But the next one might just be the best kept secret in the entire tire aisle. Number 4. General. This is quietly one of the best value stories in the whole industry. General scores high again and again across everyday touring tires and light truck tires and in head-to-head budget-breaking tests. Their all-season tires stop short and confident in the wet while cheaper rivals slide straight past the cone. You are getting most of a premium tire safety and grip for a genuine fraction of the price. If your budget is tight, but you refuse to gamble on safety, General is a rock-solid answer. And if that kind of value impresses you, wait until you hear about the brand that enthusiasts actually respect. Number 3. Falken. This is the value brand that serious driving enthusiasts genuinely rate and put on their own cars. Falken punches far above its modest price on grip and handling, with all-season and performance options that feel a full tier more expensive than they actually are. If you want a little bit of fun and real confidence in the corners, without paying premium sports car tire prices, Falken is the sweet spot that hits both. It proves that cheap and capable are not opposites, but the next one is trusted by the last people you would ever expect. Number 2. Hankook, and here is the single tell that says everything you need to know. Hankook is good enough that major automakers ship it as the factory tire on brand new cars, straight off the assembly line on vehicles costing tens of thousands of dollars. That is a serious, expensive vote of confidence from the people who build the cars. It leans just a notch toward the premium end of value, quiet, comfortable, and genuinely dependable in the wet, all without the premium sticker price on the wall. It is very, very hard to go wrong here, and that leaves only the single best value tire on the road today. Number 1. Kumho. Pound for pound, this is the best value in tires right now, full stop. Independent grading recently put Kumho at the very top of the entire budget field for value per dollar, beating out every other affordable name. You get solid traction, dependable handling, quiet and comfortable road manners, and genuinely long tread life, all at a price that is honestly hard to believe. If you want the most safety and the most miles for the least amount of money, this is exactly where I would start shopping today. And if your budget happens to stretch a little further, the Premium Kings, Michelin and Continental are still the absolute gold standard for the shortest possible stops in the pouring rain. So, here is your entire 30-second tire check before you hand over a single dollar. 1. Read the DOT date code on the sidewall and flatly refuse any tire more than a couple of years old. 2. Match the load index and the speed rating printed on your door sticker, or go higher, but never, ever lower. 3. Buy them in matching pairs, set the pressure to the door sticker number, and walk right past the no-name mystery brands no matter how cheap they are. Do exactly that, and a set of cheap Kumhos or Generals will stop you shorter and last you longer than an overpriced bad choice ever could. Your tires are the only thing standing between you and the road, but choosing the right tire is only step 1, because the tire shop has an entire script of upsells designed to quietly empty your wallet. Tap the video on your screen right now, and I will show you the tire shop add-ons you should always say no to. Drive it right, and it will drive you far.